Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you can you install IPA file on iPhone or iPad. IPA files are app installation files used for iOS devices. They work similarly to APK files on Android but have Apple's security limits. You can install IPA files only if the app is signed with a valid Apple certificate. This process can be done through official tools or third-party apps. Now, open Apple Configurator 2 or iTunes on your Mac or PC. Then, connect your iPhone or iPad via USB cable. Now, drag and drop the IPA file into your device window. Then, wait for the installation to complete, and then it will appear on your home screen. You can use apps like AltStore, sideload, or TrollStore for sideloading. Next, log in with your Apple ID and upload the IPA file inside the tool. The tool will sign and install the app onto your device. Once done, go to Settings and tap on General, then tap on Device Management to trust the app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.